Hi guys, it's MK, and today we are going to be doing 2 experiments, and this is the first experiment. For the first experiment, you'll need baking soda, food coloring, and vinegar. I also have this little volcano from my kit, a kit that my uncle gave me. So let's get started. First, you'll need a tablespoon of baking soda. Now I'm just gonna get it. I have a pipette because I'm messy.
It's a funnel.
Funnel, whatever it is. It's just. Oh God. How did that happen?
It must have been too much. A tablespoon must have been too much. That's okay.
Too much, let's say. Now I'm gonna get my food coloring, and I don't have one that you can just pour. So I am gonna use a pipette. Then we are going to squirt it in. 1. That's it? Okay. So there. Good. Please get out of here. Thank you. Alright. Now we're just gonna mix it with this thing. A wooden stick. It's gonna be red vinegar.
Okay.
Now we're gonna pour the red vinegar into the baking soda. Please don't explode. Whoa! Look at that.
Maybe there was too much baking soda because it didn't really like explode. It just fizzed. Hold on, I'm just curious. I'm just gonna put some more. See what it does.
Whoa! It's exploding! Oh my gosh.
But all the baking soda got like stuck in it. Okay, let's do the other one. Let's try the other one. It's kind of the same ingredients, but it's not with the same as the water columns.
Mr. Grinch. So now I'm on my second experiment, and for this one I'm going to use a mini water bottle. It's going to be a little bit different because this, you're going to need 2 ounces of this.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Of what?
Of baking soda.
All right, keep going.
So now we are gonna put the vinegar in a bowl, and this time it is bigger. It is a 1/4 cup.
1/4 of a cup.
1/4 of a cup. I'm going to just pour it in here. 1/4 of a cup. Then grab your thing. Your
Food coloring.
food coloring. Thank you, Mother. And this is enough, right?
Maybe just one more drop.
My wooden stick. Now, red vinegar again. Should I use the thing?
No, you should be able to pour it in the hole.
That's a liquid one.
Go ahead. You gotta pour it out.
Whoa! Oh, jeez. That was fun.
You gotta pour it out.
Whoa! Now more vinegar.
You want more vinegar? Where did I put it?
I don't know, Mother. Don't know. Let's put the rest in there.
I don't know if it'll do it. Okay, try it.
It will.
Because the baking soda is already done.
Not yet.
Move your hand.
That's super cool. Bye guys, I hope you liked this video and please try this at home. It's really cool, but make sure there's a